Sure, here's a YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone focusing on the 2025 Nokia 7 Plus, structured with sections covering features, exterior design, and a conclusion, all within 800 words, Welcome to FK iPhone, the place where we explore the best alternatives to the overpriced fruit brand. Today we're diving into the 2025 Nokia 7 Plus, a phone that's making a solid statement in the mid-range market. If you thought Nokia was done, this one might surprise you. Let's start with what really matters. The features. The 2025 Nokia 7 Plus comes packed with just the right blend of power and practicality. At the heart of the device is a newly optimized processor designed by Qualcomm that delivers a smooth experience whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking between a dozen apps. It's not trying to compete with ultra-premium phones, but it nails performance where it counts. No unnecessary gimmicks. Just real-world usability. The display is a major win. You get a crisp Full HD AMOLED screen with excellent brightness levels and rich contrast. It handles outdoor lighting like a champ and brings your content to life. Scrolling feels fluid thanks to the high refresh rate, and there's even adaptive settings to save battery when you're not using the phone actively. Speaking of battery, this is one area where the Nokia 7 Plus pulls ahead of many. You're looking at a full day and more with ease, thanks to a smart power management system and a battery that just doesn't quit. And yes, fast charging is included, so you're back at full power quickly if you ever manage to drain it. Now the camera system is where Nokia has clearly done some homework. You get a dual lens setup at the back with optical image stabilization and advanced low light performance. Daylight shots are sharp and detailed, while nighttime photography has been noticeably improved over previous models. The front-facing camera has been upgraded too, so your selfies and video calls are looking cleaner than ever. The phone also runs on the latest Android version with a clean stock experience. No bloatware, no unnecessary skin, just pure Android with a few thoughtful Nokia tweaks that enhance usability. That means faster updates, better security, and more efficient use of resources. Now let's talk about the exterior. The Nokia 7 Plus keeps that classic Nokia toughness but adds a modern twist. The frame is built with aerospace-grade aluminum with a matte ceramic finish that feels premium without being flashy. It's slim but sturdy, and the curved edges make it super comfortable in hand. There's a kind of quiet confidence to its design. It's not trying too hard to stand out, but once you hold it, you'll know it's built to last. The back of the phone has a minimal look with only the camera module and subtle branding. Fingerprint sensor is integrated into the power button on the side, which feels natural and quick. Buttons have a solid click, and the overall build gives you confidence in durability. Oh, and for those wondering, yes, it still has a headphone jack. Respect. Audio is another area that often gets ignored in mid-range phones, but Nokia made sure to give it some love. You get stereo speakers that sound fuller than expected with good balance between highs and lows. It's more than enough for music, gaming, or just binge-watching your favorite series. Connectivity-wise, you're covered. It supports all major 5G bands, Wi-Fi is fast and reliable, and there's even NFC support for contactless payments. Storage is expandable via microSD, which is rare in new phones nowadays and a huge plus if you like having offline content on hand. So here's the conclusion. The 2025 Nokia 7 Plus doesn't try to outshine the big names with flashy gimmicks. Instead, it delivers on what actually matters. Solid performance, excellent battery life, a great display, clean software, and a design that feels both premium and durable. For anyone tired of overpriced phones that deliver less every year, this is a serious contender. Nokia is playing smart with this one. It's not about beating everyone in specs but giving users exactly what they need in a balanced package. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or just someone who wants a reliable phone without breaking the bank, the Nokia 7 Plus hits the sweet spot. So if you're done with paying more for less and you want something that just works, this phone deserves your attention. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Would you make the switch or are you still holding on to your old device? That's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our future uploads. This is FK iPhone, where we give real talk about real tech. See you in the next one. Let me know if you want a voiceover friendly version or background music suggestions to go with it.